your special day? After you've said I do. There's nothing better than sitting down with the ones closest to you, in the perfect place, for the perfect meal. Inbodens is proud to offer our catering service for weddings and other special events, featuring our choicest cuts of meat and a wide selection of savory items from our menu. There's sure to be something for the whole family. And don't forget the desserts. But when you're ready to party, stop by the bar, grab a drink to toast with, and enjoy the venue. It's a place just as magical as the memories you'll make there. Special thanks to our friends at the venue for letting us film at their beautiful location. And for the best catering around, come to Inbodens. Butcher, baker, fresh greens, gourmet.